So welcome back to Rank and File. We're switching it up this time. So the question is, does SEO take 6 months? The answer is completely no, it does not. Google is far more sophisticated at this point. They crawl so much faster. Even when you think about the two-step process of crawling and then rendering, even as that is more fast than when Google first said it was. And so what takes 6 months is your organization getting on board with SEO. Even if you're an in-house SEO, let's say you come in on day one, you're not going to have the internal credibility in order to get those things pushed through with the variety of different teams. In fact, you won't even know the lay of the land at that point. So really what happens is you have to come in, get that credibility, figure out what the issues are, and then figure out the right people to actually execute on those things. That takes 6 months. It's not the crawling. It's not, the time it takes to do an audit. It's really the time it takes to get the organization to actually make these things happen. Now, everyone comes to us and they're like, what are the quick hits? How do we get the quick wins? Well, the way that you do that is, one, you have to be aligned across your organization first. I can't stress that enough. You need to be sure that you've got the developers that are ready, and if not, then you've got the right third-party partner that has the right access to actually implement these things. And then you got to just be ready to go. You got to have someone that you trust, that once they give you these recommendations, you can really just knock them down. Internally, you need to be the champion. If it's someone like iPullRank that's coming to you and they're like, hey, here's a series of recommendations, you now have to also walk through your organization and find the right partners that are going to be down for it. And you have to continually, say like, here's why this is going to be valuable. You're going to have to arm your partners with the right information to get it done, because they're going to be experts at whatever it is that they do, but you're the expert in your organization. So yes, you can make things happen way faster than 6 months. It's not a technical limitation at all. It's a people limitation. Hope that helps.